Everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, June 4th, 2024. The markets are actually doing pretty much what I have been waiting for right now, and this is it. When we came down here, this is going to be our, say, wave A, and now we're coming up. We're scraping out to make the wave B, and then the wave C is actually going to make another wave four. This was the previous wave four, and we came up, made the wave five of three, and now we're going to make another wave four. And once this completes up here, the downside target is going to be all the way down near to 5,000, possibly down, anywhere in this area here. But right now, I'm thinking this is what I put out to our people in our trading room right here was that we came up. I was looking for down and then back up again, and I'm really looking somewhere right around this. Say the 5310, 5309 area. And from there, we're going to get some bearish divergences in place. And that is going to set up for this wave three, really the wave C down, but it's probably going to break up into five waves bounce, and it's going to be prolonged a little bit. But it could go pretty quick on it as well. But right now, this is what I'm looking at. Now, the way that this whole pattern gets wiped out is if these highs get taken out. Then it's something else, but this is really what you're looking at as far as the room that the bears have to give up. But once they cross this line, that's when the pattern's off and something else is going on. But right now, the pattern that I'm liking is we get this move here and then come down, and from there we come down and make this wave four, and then from there we're going to have another wave five up. That should be pretty good. So for the short term, obviously the Bulls need to get it above this 52.98. From there, I'm anticipating anywhere from this 53.11. It could even go up somewhere up into the 53.15, maybe even a little bit higher. As long as these aren't taken out, that's good. And this is where, I'd be building the short position with a stop above these highs. Now, if we gap above it, then obviously none of this plays out, so there's not going to be any trades. But if we get up to these levels and then come down, it's going to be a pretty good trade on the downside on it. But again, it's not a bear market. We're just setting up for this wave four, so we get a wave five up. That will probably take us somewhere up into the 5,600, 5,700 level. Again, on the short term, the bears they're really going to have to get it through this the 52.69, 52.70, but really the main thing is going to be right by this 52.58, because if that gets taken out, we should come down and test these 52.33. And again, the confirmation is when this low gets taken out, that larger wave C is starting. So if you wanted to just, say be conservative and say, okay, well, if this plays out, then this line has to be taken out. You still have a decent, little trade on the downside with it, and you don't have to really risk anything. But I like building it up here, just putting the stop here. If it works, we have a fantastic trade. If not, we're going to get stopped out with, less than a 1% loss on it. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.